Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to go ahead and start with Displate. Okay, so if you want to go ahead and post a poster, all you need to do is come here, hover over here on your profile icon, and come and click on upload your artwork. Okay, and there are some requirements. Your artwork needs to be a JPEG, PNG, WebP, or AVIF format, and the file size should be at least 2,900 to by 4060 pixels in a 1.4 to 1 ratio. Now let me open up Photoshop and show you. This is the artwork I'll be using, and this is how you set up your file. So I come here, click on new. What I did is I put the width from 2,900 pixels, and then I put the height at 4060 pixels. The resolution I put about 82 pixels, and then when I was going ahead and exporting it, I did compress it. Okay, let me just show you how to do that. So for example, if I click on File, if I click on Save As, right here, I can change this to PNG, right? And then when I click on Save, I get this option for compression. Okay, then you can go ahead and press OK right there. Now, let's go ahead and paste this image right here. And the maximum number of artworks you can upload per day is 10. Okay, here is the image, right? I'll go ahead and drag and drop this image right here, or you can browse through your file explorer. And as you can see, it meets all of the necessary requirement. Now we just have to add a description for this. So I'll go ahead and press on next right here. And then I should be able to add the description, okay? It is making sure my artwork meets the requirements right now and is uploading the file as well. So wait for that to be done, and it's currently analyzing my artwork. And there we go. It also picked up a description, right? And if you want, you can go ahead and edit this as well. The AI went and picked up my description. So there we go. We have a cute panda portrait as the title. This is really good. You want to keep it like this because it would go ahead and help with the keywords, right? SEO, when someone is searching, they're probably searching something like cute panda portrait, things like that. And the description also have quite a bit of tags that actually go ahead and explain what is going on in this poster. And now you can come here and choose your art type that best suits your design. This is a illustration, so it is a digital art, right? So I'll go ahead and do illustration. Go ahead and press next. Now you're going to choose from at least 1 to 15 tags, and you will be ordering the tags by its relative importance. So you want the most important tags to be first. For example, panda. Okay, cute can be later on, coming later on, bamboo later on, right? Anything associated, like bamboo is associated with panda, so you can go ahead and keep things like that as well, and you can add more tags. I'll go ahead and click on next. That is okay. Now we need to choose a category that is best suited for our art piece. So I'll do animals, and then you can go ahead and add this to a collection, or you can just create a new collection. For example, cute animals, right? I'll go ahead and create, and then you make sure you toggle this on. So I'll choose my collection right here. Make sure you accept the terms of service, and then what will happen is they are going to validate this for print quality. They're very, very selective with what they allow to be available for sale on their website. So they'll go ahead and validate that. Okay. And you can go ahead and upload your next artwork as well, or you can just go to your profile right now. Okay. So if I come here, this is my profile, and there we go, guys. Now you just have to wait for Displate to approve you. Really that easy and simple, guys.